Hi, Andrew here for Layout TV, and today we're gonna unbox Dragon Ball FighterZ press kit. Bandai Namco was kind enough to send this one, so let's take a quick look at it. So this is the box over here, and it's really a press kit with a Z. So that's Goku, Vegeta, so as Gohan, and on the back we have Majin Buu, Cell, and Frieza. So let's get to it. Right, so inside here we get the game itself. It's developed by Arc System Works, the very same developer that developed the Blaze Blue as well as the Guilty Gear series. So needless to say, it should be a very fun fighting game. Apart from that, story mode has been revealed as well to some extent. There is an original character called Android 21, so it'll be interesting to see how Arc System Works play with the title. And right here we have a figurine. We don't know what we're gonna get, but I hope we get Goku. So let's find out. Right, so the moment of truth. And we get Goku. And aside from that, there's something else inside here. Right, it's a stand, of course. So that's the figurine. And then we have the press kit itself, which has a lot of information on the game. So what you have here is the whole roster of the game, 24 characters. And on this side, it explains the different modes available in the game. There's the online mode, naturally, arcade mode, and for one that I'm personally excited about, story mode. Yeah. And last but not least, the last item in the box is the 7 Dragon Balls. Yeah, so Dragon Ball FighterZ is releasing this 26th January on the PS4, Xbox One, as well as PC. So like our video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you like our content, and tell us if you're excited for a review of the game. So, cue the video. I have nothing else to talk about.